Hey my beautiful besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina and I love to post the most girliest content that I could possibly post. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel, girlfriend. I hope you stick around. And if you're a returning viewer, I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Your continued support means so much to me, so thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Today's video is a what's in my bag. I haven't done a what's in my bag in like forever. I've done what fits in my bag when I do an unboxing, but I haven't lived in a bag and show you what I'm carrying inside in a while. So I thought I'd show you what I have inside this one. I'm feeling a little bit in the Valentine's Day spirit a little early. Like as soon as New Year's hit, I was Valentine's. I was Cupid, okay? So I started wearing this one and I love this print. This is the Valentine's Day print from I think 2024. And this one is one of my favorites. So let's start with the outside of the bag. I have a purse extender. This is from Amazon because, girlfriend, my arm is way too fat to fit in a strap like that. So I have a purse extender. I have a Bath and Body Works little pocket sanitizer. This is the gummy bear one. It is so cute. I think this is a Valentine's Day thing, but there's usually extras lying around. If you go by the hand sanitizer holders, they usually have one or two of these. This is so stinking cute. I love this so much. I also have it in pink, but today we're using the purple. And then I have a Coach Bear charm from Valentine's Day. It's pink and cute with little Swarovski crystals in the eyes, and I literally just die for this. And yeah, that is the outside of my Coach Nolita 19. And let's get to the inside. She's super packed, you guys, like super packed. This is everything I'm carrying in my Nolita 19. Starting straight from the top, we have my phone and my wallet. Everything ESR in my bag lately, and that's because I really love all of their stuff. Quality is so rich, and thankfully they are also the sponsor of today's video. This is the iPhone 17. I have a cute pink case from ESR, and I also have the ESR wallet. I love this wallet because it's so thin and it doesn't take up any space in my bag. And okay, like real talk, bulky wallets, we're leaving those in 2025. They're just heavy and they're messy and they literally ruin the silhouette of a bag. Did you know that if you have a genuine leather bag, overstuffing your bag, you can ruin the shape and stretch out the leather of your bag? Well, girlfriend, now you know. So that's why I carry my ESR Aura Clutch MagSafe wallet. She's so thin and she's doing all my mini bags a favor. So if you're out here still carrying a little brick in your purse and it's 2026, babe, we need to talk. She's sleek, she's vegan leather, and honestly, she's genius. I love her so much. I even have her in the black and the pink. And I haven't looked at another wallet since. First of all, did you hear that snap? That is the sound of halo magnets with 1,500 grams of holding force. This magnet is literally stronger than my mango dragon fruit addiction. It just doesn't even budge. You can shake it, you could toss it in your bag, whatever. She's staying put. And this adorable pearly white with the crocodile embossing is giving mini handbag. I'm obsessed. It holds 3 cards, which is all a girl needs. An ID, a credit card, my Starbucks card, obviously. It's so slim that I can actually fit my phone and my wallet into my Coach Nolita 19 with room to spare for all of my favorite lippies. But wait, there's also a plot twist. She's also a stand. Whether I'm at brunch and I want to just quickly check how my YouTube channel is doing, or I'm at home looking to catch up on someone else's vlog, you can prop it up on portrait mode. It's like a little kickstand, but make it fashionable. The black Aura Clutch MagSafe wallet is giving corporate baddie. It's sophisticated and it goes with everything. But the pink? She is the moment. This one right here definitely matches my heart ombre Stanley that I just got and my entire studio vibe. Honestly, I couldn't choose, so I got them all. I truly cannot get enough of this wallet. So if you're ready to stop looking through your bag like you're looking for buried treasure, then the ESR Aura Clutch MagSafe wallet is going to be your best friend. I've linked all the colors for you down below in my description box. And don't say I didn't warn you when they're all sold out. So now everything else that I have in my bag. This is a really small bag, but she carries a lot. You just gotta know how to live that mini bag lifestyle. I have a hand lotion. This is from Bath and Body Works. I always think that this says sweater weather. No, it's together weather, and it's one of my favorite winter scents. I'm actually going to put on some right now because I'm feeling a little dry. And baby girl, ashy is not classy. So we are leaving ashy back in 2025. I also have my painkillers because I do not tolerate pain of any kind, okay? So I always make sure that I'm prepared for anything with these. I also have these little Listerine strips. These are tiny but mighty, let me tell you, baby girl. Pop one of these and your mouth is going to feel like it has been revamped, refreshed. These are so strong. I also have a little piece of gum. I got these cute little individually wrapped gums for a bachelor party from like 2 years ago. And I'm still finishing the bag of individually wrapped gum.
If anybody want a piece of gum out there, I will mail it to you.
I have this little comb. This is so cute, this comb. It's a My Melody comb. It opens up and it's also a mirror. How cute is that? But here's the brush part. Super cute. So I can always just touch up my hair when I need to. I love this thing. This is a must-have in my purse all the time. How about the first lip product that I show you guys? This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Stick. Gloss Bomb Stick. One of my favorite things, hands down. I love this. Look at that shimmer even on the camera. Here's a little hand swatch for you. Look at how she glows. Probably the best thing I've ever gotten in a Sephora store. Lip product number 2. It is a Rhode Peptide lip shade. I love this. It is so smooth and creamy. Look how gorgeous she is. Do you see how she's like a perfect match to the Fenty lip gloss? Yeah, girlfriend, I am obsessed. I almost fell out of my chair. That's how true it is. And I also have another lip product. This is my Fenty Gloss Bomb Stick, but it's not glittery. So I use this as a base before I put on my Fenty Gloss Bomb Stick with the glitter on it. This is just so beautiful. I show you guys this lipstick in every single video. Every time I pull up my bag, I show this. She is just truly beautiful. And I don't think that I could ever get enough of this lipstick. No, it's definitely not happening. This is my favorite. I will never get enough. So I have another piece of gum. Like, these things are just all over my room at this point. They're everywhere. It's like an apocalypse of gum. Last but definitely not least, this is like the star of the show. This pen. This gorgeous, absolutely stunning pen. I call this my boss pen because you never know when you need to sign a document. Even if you're just sitting at, I don't know, Cheesecake Factory and you're signing for the bill, gotta whip this bad boy out because she is absolutely stunning. I mean, look at her. This is the boss pen. So if you ever wanted to know what does Christina sign her checks with, baby girl, this right here. I love her so much. I got this off of Amazon. If you like her, she'll be in my description box below as well. And that's everything that I have in my bag. So now let's quickly fill her back up because, baby girl, I do actually have plans tomorrow at Cheesecake Factory. Yes, I do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're still here watching, girlfriend, you are much appreciated. And if you enjoyed today's video, I will leave another one right here for you and right here for you. That way you can enjoy more of what I have to show you guys. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. That way you'll never miss another girly chic video. That's all for now. Bye!